Ever wonder how some people use debt to get rich instead of feeling trapped? What if I told you debt isn't always the villain? Imagine having a mindset so powerful it turns debt into a tool that builds your wealth. In today's video, we'll uncover the strategies and secrets that wealthy individuals use to make debt work for them, transforming it into a powerful stepping stone to financial freedom. What is debt reality? Let's start by rethinking what debt really is. Most people think of debt as money they owe and something to avoid at all costs. And while that's partly true, debt is really just a tool. A tool that, when used wisely, can open doors to opportunities. Debt is like a hammer. You can use it to build something, or you can accidentally smash a finger if you're not careful. The difference between good debt and bad debt. The key to turning debt into wealth is understanding that not all debt is the same. There's good debt and bad debt. Good debt is any debt that can help you generate more income. Think of a mortgage on a rental property, a business loan that allows you to grow, or student loans that increase your earning potential. Good debt is like planting seeds that grow over time. Bad debt, on the other hand, is the kind that drains your wallet with no return. Credit card debt for things like shopping sprees, fancy dinners, or vacations often falls into this category. You're paying for something that doesn't bring more value or wealth into your life. By focusing on good debt, you're setting the stage to turn liabilities into assets. How wealthy people use debt as leverage. Wealthy people think of debt differently. To them, debt isn't a burden. It's a powerful way to build wealth faster. They see debt as leverage. Here's a simple example of how leverage works. Imagine you have $50,000 and want to buy a property worth $250,000. Instead of saving up the full amount, you take out a mortgage to cover the rest. Now you control a $250,000 asset with only $50,000 of your own money. As property values rise, you're increasing your wealth without spending years saving up the full price. That's leverage. Wealthy people constantly look for ways to use leverage to increase their assets. It's not about living beyond their means, but using other people's money, OPM, to grow faster. Smart ways to use debt for wealth building. Here are some smart ways the wealthy use debt to build wealth. Let's break down each. Number 1, real estate investment. Real estate is one of the most common ways to build wealth with debt. Wealthy people take out loans to buy properties, then rent them out. The rental income covers the mortgage, and over time, the property value increases, adding to their wealth. So, their debt is working for them, bringing in income while building equity in the property. Number 2, starting or expanding a business. Debt can help create or grow a business. Many successful entrepreneurs started with loans or investments, using that debt to hire, expand, or innovate. As the business grows, it generates more income, which easily covers the initial debt and leads to substantial profits. That's why using debt for business growth can be a game changer when managed well. Number 3, investing in education or skill development. A well-chosen student loan or investment in skill-building courses can increase earning potential. Imagine a chef taking a course to become a specialist in a certain cuisine. That loan for training could lead to job opportunities with much higher pay. Strategic debt that boosts earning power is an investment in yourself. Number 4, investing in stocks or bonds. Some wealthy people use margin accounts to borrow money for stock investments. By leveraging their existing assets, they can buy more stocks than they could afford with cash alone. If their investments grow, the profit outweighs the loan interest, boosting their wealth. This is advanced and requires a lot of knowledge and caution, but it's a common strategy for those who know the game. Changing your debt mindset. Now you might be thinking, isn't debt still risky? Absolutely. But what sets the wealthy apart is their strategy and mindset. Instead of fearing debt, they have a plan. First, they prioritize investing in assets. If it doesn't have the potential to grow or generate more income, they're unlikely to borrow for it. This discipline is what separates smart debt users from those who end up overwhelmed. Second, they manage their risk. They don't borrow without knowing exactly how they'll pay it back, often setting aside funds specifically for emergencies or downturns. By staying cautious, they're prepared for whatever comes their way. Lastly, they focus on long-term rewards, not instant gratification. Wealthy people aren't taking out loans for quick thrills. They're using debt as a stepping stone to long-lasting success. The power of compound interest. One of the biggest secrets to turning debt into wealth is understanding compound interest. While compound interest on debt can be harmful, it can also be extremely powerful when it's on your side. Think about investing in an asset that grows over time, such as real estate or stocks. The growth compounds, meaning the interest builds on itself over the years. When you use debt to invest in assets with compounding returns, the gains can significantly outweigh the cost of the debt. In simple terms, it's like having a snowball that gets bigger and bigger the longer it rolls. Wealthy people are experts at using compound growth to make debt profitable over time. Essential steps to use debt wisely. If you're ready to start using debt to build wealth, here are some key steps to keep in mind. Number 1. Do your research. Make sure you understand the asset or investment you're borrowing for. Knowledge reduces risk. Number 2. Start small. Don't jump into massive debt. Begin with manageable investments so you can learn the ropes without risking too much. Number 3. Build a safety net. Ensure you have extra funds saved up to cover your debt payments in case of unforeseen events like job loss or investment downturns. A strong safety net provides peace of mind, allowing you to handle emergencies without compromising your financial plan, so you can keep growing steadily. Number 4. Set clear goals. Know exactly what you want to achieve with the debt. Without a goal, debt can quickly spiral out of control. Number 5. Monitor progress regularly. Set time aside to review your investments and debts on a regular basis. Confirm that they're still aligned with your goals and make adjustments as necessary. Tracking your progress keeps you on course, allowing you to quickly address any issues and ensuring debt remains a wealth-building tool. Number 6. Avoid emotional spending. Wealthy individuals don't borrow to fuel their impulses. They focus on needs and opportunities that align with their financial goals. Number 7. Seek professional advice. Sometimes it's wise to consult a financial advisor. They can help you create a debt strategy tailored to your situation. Staying disciplined. Turning debt into wealth is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Staying disciplined is key. Wealthy individuals know that there will be ups and downs, but they stay focused on the bigger picture. They take calculated risks and trust their strategy, even if they don't see immediate rewards. Discipline is about sticking to your financial plan, controlling spending, and being mindful of new debt. Remember, using debt for wealth building isn't about getting rich quick. It's about steady growth over time. Building a wealthy mindset. When you change the way you see debt, it becomes an opportunity, not an obstacle. It's all about taking control. By developing a mindset focused on growth, discipline, and wise decision-making, debt becomes a stepping stone to wealth, not a setback. So next time you think about debt, remember, it's not always about what you owe. It's about how you can make it work for you. If you're ready to change your mindset on debt and start building wealth, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We share tips, strategies, and unique perspectives on building a financially successful life. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.